Hey food lovers, today's video is about brinjal chutney. Let's get into the preparation. Welcome to grandmother's recipe. Take a cooker and add a glass of water and we can boil the vegetables. 1 cup of chopped brinjal, 1 cup of chopped potatoes, 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, green chilli of 3 numbers, chopped ginger of 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder of 1 teaspoon, and mix this well with the water. You can also add chopped onions into this and mix it well. Also add a cup of water. Salt as required and boil it for 5 minutes. Now you can see all these are well cooked. Smash this boiled brinjal and in this stage take half cup of gram dal flour and mix it with the water. Add it to the boiled brinjal. We got a thick consistency after adding this water. Take a pan and add 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, red chilli of 2 numbers, a small pinch of coriander and curry leaves, 2 teaspoons of gram dal, 1 teaspoon of Asafoetida powder, and roast this well. And the final step is to add this to the boiled brinjal. Now the brinjal chutney is ready. You can serve it with idli, dosa and also with chapati. It goes well. Thank you for watching friends. Enjoy.